$2. I'm gonna show you guys this vintage coffee maker you can buy on eBay. It's 1981. It has a nice reservoir that comes out. You guys can see here. It's a good reservoir. You got the cups on it, YouTubers. You got the cups on that. As you guys can see, the cups. You got like it's 1980s. So you got like the green means go. You can turn that thing off like that. And you got like the craft. It's pretty dank. It's been slightly used. It has coffee maker for a good 10 years. It's good. It's a good coffee maker. It still has a glass in there. You got like the. Okay, you got a nice extra lid on there. Lid. It's pretty dank. Unbreakable. That's unbreakable. You got a nice coffee tray. You guys think maybe it comes out like this. And you got like a nice stopper. You got a nice little. Nice coffee maker. It still works. I own it. You got nice. It's pretty good. Pretty good coffee maker by Black & Decker. Thermal craft is vintage and posh. Black & Decker vintage coffee maker. So posh.